Summer's right around the corner, y'all.
That's right. It means it's time to get your lawn ready with the right equipment.
Yeah, watch Adam Klotz to the weather. I realize we got to get the right equipment here with Top Tools, home contractor Skip BEDELL. Skip, you brought a lot of stuff as you
guys. I did. Listen, the spring is here. Time to get your lawn looking great. Home Depot is the place to go because they have great promotion on everything. Two of my favorite brands, Milwaukee and Ryobi, they have great special deals going on right now. Both great right now. So start off with Milwaukee. Milwaukee has great promotions that buy more, save more. So if you spend $350, you get $100 off. $450, you get $100.
Right.
$550, $175. So great deals like this 21-inch mower. This is battery operated. It has dual batteries inside here. Great runtime.
Self-propelled?
Self-propelled, yeah. So great question, Steve. It drives itself.
I love that.
Right, and they're really quiet, extra runtime. You can cut up to a half an acre, and it runs for about an hour on a single charge.
You know, speaking of the charge part, you know, as the car companies are struggling whether or not to make electric vehicles, the tools and the mowers are fantastic when they're battery operated.
Unbelievable, the technology that goes into these batteries. Like, look at this. I love this setup. This is their quick lock system, meaning that you can change the attachments on here. So you buy one tool, right? Like they have this great trimmer. Watch this. Makes it really easy to trim your shrubs. When you want this to be done, you switch on your string trimmer or even your edger to run around the sidewalk. Is great, all on one single tool.
Is this what you use where the shrubs are all?
Yeah, that's what you use, right? So Milwaukee's got it figured out. So all about professional power, like their 16-inch chainsaw. This is going to work all. You don't want to run this. You're going to work this all day long. Cuts through hardwoods. It's a great tool to use. So if you want that long-lasting durability, Milwaukee's great. And if you're looking for great value for the homeowners that are using the tools and want to get great value for their money, I love the Ryobi. So Ryobi is great because they have great value for their tools. So this is their Whisper series, meaning that it's super quiet. So let me turn this on for you right now. You can barely even hear it running.
It's amazing.
That means you can mow at 6 in the morning. Your neighbor's not going to complain.
Well, yeah, they might not like it, but that's the beauty of the battery operated. Also, guys, you don't get any of the fumes or the noise or the exhaust of a gas engine and none of the hassles, right? So what's going on right now, isn't that great? It's a lot of power, but it's very quiet. And that's
what blew Dave's toupee off.
Easy on the hairpiece. That's what's great about Ryobi. So it's very quiet. They have very high power. And right now, guys, Ryobi's running awesome deals at Home Depot. If you buy this lawnmower kit, you get a choice of a free 730 CFM blower or a free string trimmer.
I love all these.
Right?
And Father's Day is coming.
Yeah, Father's Day is coming. And these all make great power tools. So if you want to get stuff going at your lawn, Home Depot is the place to go.
We love Home Depot.
I'm going to go there today.
Coming up, star
Go to Home Depot.
Clayton Kershaw.